Hi, John. We'll be starting at 7, so I'm just waiting for everyone to join in. Yes, John, I like this filter. Hi to everyone joining in. I'm just waiting for some time so that everyone joins in. Welcome everyone. We'll be starting at 7, so I'm just waiting for everyone to join in. Hey Joey. Thanks, Joey. I'm not scared, John. Relax. Relax. Hi everyone, just let's wait for a few minutes. Let's get everyone to join in and then we will start. Let's wait for a few minutes to get everyone joined in, and then we would start. I know you all are waiting to meet Anaga, Miss Khan. Okay. Ashu, you'll have to wait for a few minutes. I'll get her online soon. Just reading your comments. Thanks, Akhil. Hi, Derek. We'll just wait for a few minutes, and then we'll wait for a few more people to join in, and then we'll start. John, please don't call because the live video is getting paused then. So it's 7 and I think we should start. Well, viewers who have logged in, who have taken in some time in this evening, during this evening, and have tuned in to watch the show. During this pandemic has really given us a chance to connect, bring ideas out, and this is one such idea which I had in my mind a long time ago, and this pandemic has given me a chance where I can where I thought this is a good opportunity to get this idea started. Well, as you know, the guest for today is Mrs. Anaga Kamath Sambari, and she's a wonderful lady. I know her from since I was a kid. not interacted much with her that time, but I have known her a lot, and she's known as a lady having beauty with brains. Beauty, I must say, because as you all know, and you might, if you have checked her page, you might know that she has been the second runners up. She has achieved the title of a second runners-up at the Mrs. Sankeli pageant, which was held at Ravindra Bhavan, Sankelim. And brains, I would say, because she happens to be the assistant professor at the MES College in Vasco. So, without wasting much time, let her get me online. Let me get her. Hi, Anaga.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the first episode of Let's Talk. You're our first guest of the show. Thank you
Thank,
for accepting the invitation and coming today so that you can be an inspiration and motivation to the ladies around. Thank you
thank,
so much.
thanks to you, Bonita, for having me, for calling, inviting me here. I know it's your first show, right? First episode.
Yes, yes, this is the first episode. So the first person who came in mind was you.
Lucky.
And I just bought this idea which I had in mind across to you. And when you agreed, it was like a great motivation for me. And I said, this is the right opportunity. And let's start it without wasting more
Yes,
time.
yes.
You can hear me? You can hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, Bonita, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Anaga, recently we have seen you steal the limelight when you participated in the Mrs. Sankeli and won the runners up title. Okay, so our viewers and me would like to know, like, how was your journey over there? How was it, like, how you got to know about the pageant? Who was your motivation, and how exactly you thought of participating in it?
Okay. So the first thing is my journey was, I can say, it was really exciting and magical. And yeah, it was always my dream to participate for any beauty pageant. Actually, I wanted to participate for Mrs. Goa, and then
Okay.
Sanklin from one of my student.
Okay.
त्याने एक स्टेटस दवरिल्लो होतो ऑफ मिसेस
Uh,
साकली. So I status and then I applied for it. So I
okay.
from my student. She had participated
Oh,
one.
so your student motivated you to go in.
When I saw her status, first thing I did is I just called her, and she was like, "Ma'am, to participate कर एकदा तरी कर." So she was the one who told me to participate.
Okay. Okay, and then how you spoke to your family, or how you took this decision finally of participating? Because I think they have auditions, and there was a step-by-step process. So then, how you got the motivation? Because I mean, did you face any nervousness, confidence, stage fright, or something like that?
Uh, First thing I did, without asking my husband or without asking my parents, I just filled the form.
Oh,
Okay. I didn't ask them. Once I filled the form, I just told them that I'm just participating. I have just filled the form and I'm participating for Mrs. Sankli. And they were like, very motivated, and they just positively motivated
they
that okay,
supported you. Yeah.
okay, go. And my mother, my husband, they and rest all family members, they really supported me.
That's nice. Support is very important. If you have a support system, you can achieve a lot. Yes. So when you auditioned and when you were selected and you hit the stage, so did you have any nervousness? You had the stage fright or anything like that?
Yes, meaning not on stage, but I always have that fear of going on stage. Like
Okay.
when I was in school, when I was in college, or even when I became a teacher. So I was like, I never wanted to go on stage. So comparing मागीर vote of thanks अशें दिवपाक हांव केन्ना नाशिल्लें स्टेजीर. I was there fall like reception. I was there in reception committee and rest all other committees. But never, I have never tried going on stage, taking mic and all that. So this was my first time. I just had that fear and nervousness, like what if I go there on stage and if I forget my introduction, I'm not able to answer the judge properly. So that fear was there just before going on stage. But when I went there on stage, for सगळं होई बी गेलो, I was like, no, this is my choice. I have made this choice, so now I have to give my 100%. So that was the thing.
Nice. But केन्ना अशें भंय दिसलो की like quit करपाक दिसलें, like suddenly in between of the sessions did you feel like no, I don't want to do, I want to quit something, अशें कितें दिसलें तुका?
Oh no, never.
You were focused. You were focused.
I But that, as I told you, it was my dream. It is my dream to participate in Mrs. Goa, and I got this opportunity of participating in Mrs. Sakli. So I thought that Mrs. Sakli is local, meaning it's a local pageant. So I'll participate in that. I'll get experience, and then it will be better for me to participate for Mrs. Goa.
Oh, exactly. So before
Yeah.
this, have you participated in anything, any stage events or any modeling sort of thing, or any such kind of events? Have you participated before, or it's completely new for you, first time?
No, not beauty pageant, but I have participated in ramp walk. There was one ramp walk of Jewels of India, which was organized in Goa. These organizers, they are from Mumbai. They had
Okay.
organized an event in Goa, so I had participated for that.
Okay. That was when?
Uh, I think in March, I guess.
So recently.
Yeah, recently.
Okay. So any memory you have of the whole journey at Mrs. Sankelim? Do you have any specific memory in mind? Anything coming to your mind?
The best thing I can share with you is I tell you, because of COVID, none of my family members were present there. Okay, so
Oh,
I couldn't take my daughter as she's 4 years old. My
correct.
my father, they have peace. So कोणाकूच करपाक
Correct.
मेळूना. One was there, three or four friends of mine. And I was, backstage, I was just thinking की म्हाका कोणूच सपोर्ट करपाक नासतलो थंय, कोण आसा बाकीच्यांची फॅमिली. So I was just of that. And then when I finally start walking on the ramp, and all my students were there in the audience, and started to cheer me up, and I think that was the best moment. Rather than the crown मेळच्या म्हाका दिसता मेळच्या पेक्षा म्हाका ते एकदम best moment, best time आशिल्लो when all my students started cheering me and friends, they started cheering.
I feel you might have been a very good inspiration to the students. They must be really looking up to you. And by the talks now we are having, I feel that you have a very good bond and connection with your students. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. So, Anaga, besides this, we would like to know, for our viewers also would like to know, initially when I had put up the status that I'm having an interview with you, there were many people who sent me messages they wanted to know you better. So, I thought of, besides this, as they already know that you have won this pageant, your Facebook, your Instagram is giving us those details. I would also want to know, how is Anaga at home? Something which we don't know. How is your daily routine at home from morning till evening? How do you?
Actually, my daily routine depends on my lecture. As I'm lecture basis, my college timing is different. So it's not
Okay.
like every day I don't have first lecture. So when it's first lecture, I get up early. So third lecture, something like that, I get up little late. So my routine is not same. So once I get up, I breakfast bhi karta tayar. I get fresh, then I go in kitchen, I make my breakfast, and then I have my breakfast, get ready to college, go in college. So as college Vasco asa, so I have to travel. I take my car. So it takes around 45 minutes. So college in Vata, and then at 2:30 I'm back home. I spend 1 hour with my daughter. They have online schools now, so I
Correct.
make her homework. After that, I tea time, till 2:30, 3:30. 3:30 मैं चा करता, and then I do my workout. So
Okay.
then again I have to prepare for dinner.
Then okay. So you have some.
On 9:30 I see that I go to sleep.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So you're okay. Okay. So the entire family or just you?
No, me and my daughter.
Okay, that's a very good thing. I really appreciate. You have to sleep early. You have to wake up early. You said something about workout. So you do some fitness. You follow some fitness routine or something.
Yes, I do workout every day for 1 hour. One day I do CrossFit, one day Zumba, one day yoga, sports stretching. So every day different type of workout. But I see that I do workout for 1 hour.
Oh wow, that's really nice to know. Our viewers will be happy to know that you're inclined to fitness too. Okay, so since you're working and you have other responsibilities also, so in your family, like who's your most important like support system? I would say not important. Everyone is important, but who is your support system in your family? Who encourages you to to do such various things that you're doing right now? Who is your support system that encourages you for everything?
My system is my mother. My
Okay.
first priority I would like to give to my mother, because she is like, even I wanted to, after my delivery, I wanted to quit my job. So she was the one who told me, okay, I'll look after your daughter. You don't leave your job. You continue. Then again, for I wanted to participate for beauty pageant. She was the one who told me, okay, you go for grooming, you go for practice. I will look after her. So she is the one
Okay.
who motivate me. So she's the one.
Okay. So now you mentioned you went for this pageant when you applied. Did you go for any other classes or such? Means to support this pageant or to deliver better or something? Did you take up some other classes besides that or something? You prepared something? You had some preparation?
No, meaning there was preparation in the sense there was grooming from for us. Okay.
Hmm.
One is I started dancing because,
Oh,
yeah, because I want to practice Goa, and I just thought that everyone is going to dance, so why not just try a different form of dancing?
okay. So now you're taking up dancing classes.
Ballet
Oh,
dancing.
oh wow. That's amazing. So you have almost learned it, or like you're on the process of it, just a beginning?
Yeah, the beginning. They have a big intermediate class and things like that. So I'm just in the beginning level.
And since you mentioned belly dancing now, I just want to know, is it difficult or is it quite easy for
Very,
our
very.
just for our viewers to know?
No, I would say it is very difficult. Initially, when I saw the ballet dance, I just thought, okay, you just have to, move your hip and all. But when you go and really do that dance, you have very many tricks which you have to follow. Like you have to tuck your belly inside, and keep your fingers in that same position. Or there are some positions like this. You have to keep your finger. So throughout your dance, you have to keep your finger like this. So that thing you have to keep in mind. So initially, your hip, everything will pain.
Okay. Sonam has put a comment. She's saying you're not a beginner, you're a pro. Is it?
No, 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 no. Sonam, Pooja, they are my friends. They are my besties, and they always think that I am pro in everything.
Okay.
And for participating in beauty pageant, they were the one who motivated me. No, you participate. You have that potential. No, you participate. So they were the one who motivated me. Yeah.
Okay. And now when you are doing ballet dancing, when you're learning it, do you follow some diet, some kind of a diet or something, or it's
No diet.
okay?
Nothing.
No diet for belly dance, but otherwise, do you follow any diet or you have whatever?
Diet.
Nothing like that.
I don't follow any diet. I do my workout regularly, but मला खावपाक खूप जाय. I eat chicken, I eat anything. But
What's your favorite
chicken, chicken and
oh,
fish.
fish?
Anything without.
So our viewers will know. Please know if you want to treat Anaga, you can have some chicken dish or a fish. Or fish is her favorite. Okay, now besides, or I mean, you're doing a lot of things already. Is there something in your mind, like from childhood, we have hobbies or something? So, is there something that you feel like you still want to give yourself in? Besides doing all this, you're doing a lot, but is there something in your mind that you feel you want to do this? It's your hobby, and you want to, better yourself in that area. Is there something like that?
Uh, I like dancing, so I would like to go more into this ballet dance only, because that is
Okay.
the my most favorite form of dance. So I would like to go for intermediate and rest of all the classes which are there.
Okay. So only belly dancing, or you have interest in any other forms also?
No, ballet dancing and freestyle dancing.
Okay. Okay. So your daughter accompanies you, or you go alone?
No,
You
it's
need a
online.
online. Okay, okay, okay. Because of COVID pandemic, I think, right?
And
Okay.
my teacher who is teaching me ballet dance, she's from Bangalore. She is international ballet dancer. So ते शिकयता म्हाका.
ओके. आता तू हे सगळे खूप कितें करता सो रातचे जेन्ना तू घरा येता वेन यू आर स्लीपिंग अँड यू बिफोर स्लीपिंग यू हॅव अ फ्यू मिनिट्स वेन वेन यू थिंक अँड देन स्लोली यू फॉल अ स्लीप सो वेन at that time, at that period, do you feel like exhausted, or you feel that haven't हे करूंक जाय नसले, or any, like from your till now what you have done, anything that you wanted you should have been changed or should have been in a different way, any such things came to your mind anytime?
I tell you frankly, एकदा जे खाटीर न्हिदपाक वता हांव न्हिदता. आय डोंट इवन थिंक एनीथिंग. आय डोंट लागले आसता बिकॉज आफ्टर माय डॉटर डुईंग माय वर्कआउट सगळे घरान काम करता बी म्हळ्यार इतले टायर्ड जाता की हांव खाटीर पडटा, बेडार पडटा, न्हिदता. सो आय डोंट हॅव टायम टू थिंक ऑल दिस.
Okay. See, this your viewers na are commenting one thing. I'm getting one ideas from them now. One person is saying that you sing well. Is so.
Oh no, I
Tell
can
me
sing.
about your singing.
Oh no, I cannot sing.
Okay, if you said you could sing, I would make you sing.
Oh no. Na go.
Okay, okay. Hmm. I think they want to know more and more about you, so they're just commenting. Okay, so now what are your future plans? Now you have achieved a lot of things. You're doing belly dancing, lots of things that you have planned. What are your future plans now for the next 1 or 2 years? What is your say on it?
My future I have just planned now, meaning I have already applied for Mrs. India Iconic Diva,
Oh
and so
wow.
yeah, so it is going to be in June. So
Okay.
I'm concentrating more on that. So I'm preparing more myself for that.
Okay, okay, that's really nice. Viewers, as you know, Anaga is has applied to participate in Mrs. India Iconic, and I request all of you all to please help her and motivate her by. In her as she puts the post, you can motivate her. We just got to know about this. This is a surprise for us and for the viewers as well. Your followers and the people watching are saying that you can sing, and please make her sing a song. Okay, would you want to?
No.
Okay, okay. So now, Anaga, since we have had a lot of chat with you, I just want to know what is your message. See, you're an inspiration, you're a motivation. See, केन्ना केन्ना कितें जाता आमी खुबश्यो गजाली करता बट तेन्ना अशें लोकांक कळना because we don't reach out much, or so I have taken up this thing because I want people like you who are really a motivation and inspiration. Besides taking care of your family, besides taking care of your kid, you are also working, and still you are being an inspiration and motivation around. So what is like your message to all the women around?
I would like to give one message based on my experience. Okay, what I
Okay.
have. So I would just say, what we as women, what we do, we create सराउंडिंग अस. ओके, सो आम्हीच बाउंड्री करता. वॉट इफ आमकां हो सदांच प्रश्न आसता. वॉट I forgot my introduction. What if I'm not able to answer the judge? So आम्ही what if सदा याच हातून उरता and we just don't try. Okay.
Correct.
So I would like to give this message to all the listeners who are listening to me today, that please open your mind and cross all those boundaries which are limiting you. Okay, especially
Correct.
the boundary of what if. So I just trust me, because of my experience, I'm telling you, once you cross this boundary of what if, no, the other side is really beautiful. Other side
Yeah.
of really beautiful.
Correct.
Message I give to you.
I agree with you completely, and this is what is holding many people behind. And I also would like to encourage everyone to take a step. Whatever is your hobby, whatever small thing that you have, come up and do it. Don't worry
Yeah.
what will happen, what will be the result. Just try it. Better to try than to sit without doing it and think that I should have done, right? Okay, so Anaga will come to the interesting part of the show, that's the rapid fire. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll be asking you questions. You have to answer as quick as possible. Okay, whatever comes to your mind.
Okay.
Okay, so you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the first question is I'll go quickly, so you tell me your answer also quickly. Texting or talking?
Talking.
What do you prefer? Talking.
Talk.
So, talking. So you're not a texting person. You don't chat much.
No.
Okay, okay. Uh, choose one: invisibility or super strength.
Super strength.
Superwoman, super strength.
Yeah.
Coffee or tea? You were saying something?
Yeah, I feel like super strength is because, once you become a mother, once you are a lady, woman, they have that super strength. They get that super strength and
Correct. You're right.
multiple tasks.
Correct. Anyways, women are always known for their multitasking, right? Okay. So, coffee or tea?
Tea.
Okay. So, viewers know that if they want to have a coffee or tea with you, they know they have to choose, they have to get a tea for you. Favorite day of the week?
Saturday.
Why Saturday? Because it's the weekend?
Because next will be Sunday, no? So I am very excited on Saturday. Okay, holiday. So Saturday.
Okay, okay. Anything special you do on Sunday, or Sunday is just a day of relaxing or something?
No, nothing special.
Nothing special. Sunday is a day to rest.
Day to rest.
Okay. Nickname your parents used to call you?
Ankha.
Oh, this.
My name is Anaga, so they just call me Ankha.
Okay. Since this topic came, I just want to ask you, what's the meaning of your name?
It means pure.
Oh, you are really pure.
Thank
Okay. How long does it take you to get ready? Tricky
you.
question. How long does it take you to get ready?
I think half an hour.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how good of a driver are you?
I think these questions you must ask my husband. He will to answer.
If you were to answer in his place, what would be his answer? You can tell us.
Uh, he would say 5 or 6, but I am better. I can range myself till 9.
Oh my god. Okay. Nice, nice. Your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mississippi mud.
Arre wah. What does a person require to be happy? If I must ask, this is not I put this in between of the rapid fire, but I just want to know, like, what does a person require to be happy? What is it according to you?
Uh, I think the person should accept, rather than thinking ki taka kide miluna.
Correct.
He
You're correct.
whatever he has. So amka kide miluna, rather than being sad on that, we need to accept what we have and be happy with that.
Correct. Most of the times, kita jata ki we expect a lot. we don't appreciate what we have, the blessings we have we don't appreciate, आणि आम्ही एक्सपेक्ट खूप करतात आणि मागीर डिप्रेस जातात की why so and so thing has not happened.
We are not accepting what we have. आमका किती मिळूना तातून आम्ही चड कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करतात.
Correct, and we lose on all the happiness. So if you could ask God one question, what would it be?
I would just ask one question, like, is marriage compulsory?
Okay. I would not go in details on that. We'll leave it. Okay. The one thing that annoys you the most?
Annoys me the most. I think doing housework.
Okay. So, if you were invisible, the earlier question which I asked, you chose Superwoman. But in case it was if you were invisible, then where would you go? One place where you would go?
I would go to my friend's place, Sonam.
Okay.
Into a
Yes.
like to
Sonam
go.
is watching. So Sonam, she has chosen your place. If she was invisible, she would visit you. Your favorite TV show? You watch TV?
No, my
Oh,
daughter they आपलेच TV लायता आणि बसता and she don't give me to watch. So I
so there's no any favorite TV show that you watch or anything? Nothing. Okay. Okay. What's the one thing you're most afraid of?
as I told you just now, stage fear is one of my. I'm very afraid of that, going on stage and speaking there.
Correct. But I think now, since you have participated in 2 competitions already and there are more coming up, I think this will soon disappear.
Exactly. So
Correct.
after participating in Mrs. Sanklim, I have got little confident. I'm little confident. Like, okay, I can speak, I can go on stage. So I think after participating in Mrs. India and Mrs. Goa, I will be better.
Yeah, we'll see a more confident Anaga. The last question of the rapid fire, one thing you would like to change about yourself?
I, I I get very angry very fast, and I just say whatever comes in my mind. Okay, so I like that. Sometimes the कोण फुडें आसता ताका बरें दिसना आयकप. Being
Thank you.
angry to say anything, but later on you will feel bad about that. So I would like to change that. जो राग चड येता तो मातसो म्हाका कमी करपाक.
And you're working towards it, so that matters. Correct. Many people they know, but they do not want to change. But you accept it, and you're accepting it, and you're willing to change is more important, right? One more thing I wanted to ask you. The rapid fire is over, but I want to know from you. Like, is this your first interview, or you have had interviews before?
No, this is my
This
first.
is your first interview. You were nervous or something?
No,
Because I was.
no, I was not nervous because I know, and maybe that is the one reason why I was not nervous.
Okay. So now we have come to the end of the show, and I would really thank you for coming, for accepting the invitation, coming in, and we have got lots to know about you. I have personally known you better. Although I know you from childhood, I have not known you much since we were not in the same class or something. But now, after talking to you, I केन्ना केन्ना कोणा कडेन उलयतानाच न्हू तुका अशें मोटिवेशन जाता. You know that person is positive, and that's what we felt after talking to you. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in your future, and any support you require from your viewers. You have a lot of fans. Your students also are a big fan of yours. They all are online. So if you want, you can on social media you can speak to them. You can have such live sessions and before your show if you need their help. And we all wish you all the best, and lots more for you.
Thank you. I would like to say thank you, Bonita, for inviting me here. And I would also like to say thank you to all the listeners who are listening today, and also all those who had voted me for Mrs. Sakli, and
Exactly.
all my, I would like to say thank you to all my friends, my and my family members.
Okay.
And thank you to give me this platform to thank all of them.
Thanks to you too. Well, before I disconnect, I'll just tell my viewers I'll disconnect you. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you so much, Anita.
bye.
Okay. Viewers, thank you so much for joining in today. Thank you for spending your evening with us. It was really nice to have you all here. And this is the first episode. We will be coming every Sunday live on at 7 p.m. with new guests for you. During this pandemic, I know it's kind of stressful. It gets depressing and it's frustrating also. But what I would ask you, all of you, is take some time off and spend some time alone, because in this pandemic we have learned that our past is not, it doesn't reflect as of now, and our future is uncertain. So what best we can do is take some time off in solitude and spend some time with yourself and pray and thank God for all the blessings He has blessed you. As Anaga said, that we waste most of our time expecting things and we forget the blessings we have this beautiful day, we have a house, we have food to eat. At this time we just need to be thankful. We need to thank God for all the things we have. We need to pray for ourselves, for our families, for the good health of all the people around, for the blessings that we have received, and we have to be a blessing to others. On this note, I take leave from you, and thank you so much for everything, for encouraging me and motivating me to have this wonderful show. Thank you so much, and have the rest of the evening amazingly well. Bye.